Good morning and welcome again. In this particular video, we'll look at the message and the contacts functionality. First, we'll look at contacts. So contacts is where all the student information is listed for the admin and the teacher. Admin can access the information for all the students in the school, while the teachers can only access information for the kids belonging to their class. Now, here we have a filter box on the top where we can quickly search any kid by the name of the parent or the child or the class he or she belongs to. Similarly, at the same place we can create different groups. For example, if we have to create send messages to all the parents in the senior KG group, we can easily come and once create the group. So once we have filtered on senior KG, you see only the senior KG parents are listed here. You click on this checkbox, it clicks everything in one go. Hit on create new group, name it as senior KG Earth, which is the class name, and hit OK. It will give you a message that the group is successfully created. Now when you click on groups, you'll be able to see senior KG Earth being there. And when you click on details, you will see the list of parents who you are mapped to. Now, if you have to edit any child's information, you can use the edit form on the right side and you can enter all the information. If you have to disable a child, for example, somebody leaves the school, then you can go ahead and disable the parent ID. Please remember, if there are multiple kids for the same parent, disabling will disable both the IDs. So in case you want to disable only one, contact our support team. Similarly, if there is an existing child in the school and there is a sibling which comes and joins the school, so instead of creating another parent ID, you can do an add sibling where for the same parent, a new child can be added. So you just have to enter this new child information and save it, and that would be done. So this is all about contacts. Now click on messages. If you have to send a message to somebody, text message, you can just type your message here. Now we have to select who we need to send it to, right? So click on this contact window. It will give you the list to select individual people as well as groups. So senior KG Earth is one group which we created. So we selected that and save. So the moment you save, this will be highlighted and now we can post this message. Once we post, go to send and you will see all your messages. So there, since there were 4 people in the senior KG group, it has sent one-on-one message to each of them. So even if the parent respond to that, only you will see it. Other parents will not see it. Now similarly, if you have to send an attachment, say a picture, or if you want to send a PDF file, you can click choose a file, attach it and send it. If you have to respond to an existing thread, you can click on that thread and you can reply from there. So pretty simple and straightforward. Any incoming message will come in your inbox and any outgoing message will always appear in your send box. Similarly, all those messages which are unseen by the parent, for example, if we have sent these 5 messages which parents have not seen yet, so they will appear here. Remind will send them a notification that something is waiting for them, and schedule messages will list all the messages which you have scheduled for future. So for example, the schedule button in the middle, if we want to send a message say on 1st of August, but we don't want to send it then, we just want to schedule now, so you can click on this, choose a date and time. So for example, 1st of August, and we can choose the time as 11 a.m. Save it, and now whatever message we send, right, will go at that particular date and time, right? So for example, let's say send it to one parent and post, right? So this message will come here, and then when you click at scheduled, you'll see this message, and you will have an option to delete this message before this stipulated period of time. So that's it for the message and the contact